Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to be going over some of the additional features in the Pro version of Turbo Instant Membership Builder. Now, one of the first things that you'll note is that you have the ability to put pages into the membership. That means that you don't have to upload any pages into the protected area. Now, one of the things that you'll notice here is that there are pages for the index and the download. However, we can create those pages or create similar pages. And all we'll need to do in order to do that is to go to Add a Page. And in this particular case, if we wanted to add a bonus, and we would just call this page whatever we want to, bonus or bonus2.html. And then we'll call this and we'll say that this is the bonus for our product. Then we can literally put something in here, whatever we want to. In this particular case, if we chose to put a link here, and then we chose to put in here bonus, we can link to this bonus any place on any site where we would have a download. Now we'll actually be showing you how to place a download inside of the protected area and then have that bonus linked to here, but you can link to here from any place. Once you've completed the page that you want there, you'll click the Save button. And then if you go to the Pages area, what you'll notice is that our bonus page is there. And so you can create any page that you want, and you can actually do this without having to use any of the pages that are present in the basic version. Now, what if we wanted to upload a file and have that file protected and then have that file become our bonus link? Well, in the Pro version, all we need to do is to go to the Files area, and you'll see here that there's already a file there, but we can actually upload our own file. In this particular case, that is what we are going to do. And so to do that, we're going to click the Browse button, and then we're going to find a file on our hard drive. I now have a sheet there, a PDF, and I'm going to click Upload. And now that file is one of the files that is present inside of my protected area. So now what I need to do is I need to copy that link, Control C, and then I'm going to go back to my Pages area where I created the bonus page. I'd click Pages, and then I'd go to Edit that page. And then I would link to that page by highlighting the bonus, placing the link in the URL section, and then clicking OK. And then if I wanted my reader to see this a little better, I could size this up, make it bold, and then click Save. To make sure that my page is there, I'd go back to the Pages area, and then I'd see my pages, and all I need to do is to click this link to see that there is my bonus. I'd click this link to download my file, and this is what my customer would see. Now, what would happen if I wanted to include a video on one of my pages? Well, all I would need to do is to find the embed code to that video, and in this particular case, I'm going to go here, I'll see the embed, and then I'll grab it. Once I have that embed code, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it inside of Turbo Instant Membership Builder. And I'm going to do that inside of the page editing area by going to this place. I'm going to click the embed code. I'm going to place that embed code in here and click OK. And you'll notice that's where my video is now going to play. Now, what if I also wanted to place an image or insert an image? What would I then do? Well, then I'd need to find out where my image is. And I can either have that image in my protected area or I can have it elsewhere. But I'm going to go to the image that's in my protected area. And I can do that by going to the Files area. And you'll notice I have this image. And we can have any image that we want because all we need to do to upload an image is to go to Browse on our hard drive and upload the image to Turbo Instant Membership Builder Pro. Now in this particular case, I'm going to grab this image and then I'm going to go back to my page where the video is. And I'm going to go into the page editor. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place that image. I'm going to go to this button where it says to insert the image. And then I'm going to put that source image right in there. Now, if I want to make sure that the proportions are constrained, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this right in how wide I want it to be. And maybe I might determine that I only want it to be as wide as 500 pixels. When I continue to have the proportions constrained, that means it'll automatically adjust. If I don't have this, then that means that the image will not adjust in size when I adjust one of the dimensions. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click OK. And then there is my image. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click Save. And my image is now in place. And all I need to do is to go back to my page area. And then I can take a look to see what my page looks like. And you'll see my video. And you'll see my image. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.